Tired of spending hours creating social media posts? Manage multiple accounts with just a few clicks. This new app automates your social media from one place. Set up brands, connect profiles, and curate engaging content all in one dashboard. Discover trending topics or let AI find articles people will love. Plan strategic posting with smart scheduling tools to keep followers engaged. Watch followers grow as the app shares unique graphics and videos you can make right inside. See results like never before from detailed analytics. Leave boring manual tasks behind and gain free time back each day. Take business to new levels without extra work. Big brands already automate with this tool. You can too for just a one-time fee. Check out the demo videos on their site to see how easy it is to use. Save money compared to other options with no ongoing fees. Try it risk-free for a month and see your follower counts boost automatically. Links in the description to learn more about using social media on autopilot.